I'm using the Rumi Cosmetics for the eyebrows. As you can see my brows, I'm getting some little grey ones through there. Now, it's so tempting to just pluck them out, but I'm thinking, as we age, our brows just get, more sparse. So, I'm thinking, grey, let's just keep it. And I've managed to cover it with this one. This is the Power Brow. Really like this. It's a tiny spoolie wand, great for detail. And I just comb that through. I usually take another spoolie and just comb it all. You can see that grey one's still hanging out. Another spoolie and just comb that through again, but I don't have one with me, so this is it. So just combing that through, and I always do the tail first because that's the bit that sort of disappears. So if I'm going for a real natural look, I won't even bother doing this inner corner, but today, why not? So just pushing that through. That's the brows.